I have a Ferris IS1500Z Series Zero turn mower. The battery died, so I replaced it. After about 3 weeks, it is dead again. I jumped it and it cut for about 1/2 hour, and the mower deck started to slow down and then stopped turning totally. The engine was still running. When I turned it off, the battery was still dead. Any ideas?
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Thanks.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Ferris IS1500Z Series Zero turn, 50 inches cut, 25 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Don't know the age. I do some of the work if I can.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. Posted by JustAnswer, a customer's request. Hello. I would like to request the following expert services from you. Live phone call. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. The Kawasaki engine uses a stator/alternator under the flywheel to come out to the voltage regulator/rectifier to charge the battery. Usually, the voltage regulator is the problem, but the stator can be bad. The stator has to produce at least 28 volts AC, which comes through the regulator as 14 volts DC. Check the stator voltage and the regulator voltage. My thought is you will find the regulator bad.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.